It is the next day. Today is, what today is? Today is June 6th. It is 9:16 a.m. I just got done eating my breakfast. I said I gotta start the day right. Let me show y'all what I have left today. No, I'm not done. It just looks like that from this angle. Last night, my husband helped me separate, what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, is that 5? Wait. Yesterday, my husband helped me separate 4 rows in the back of my head, and today I'm going to do those last 4 rows, hopefully, if nothing gets in the way of me doing these 4 rows. Let me show y'all what they look like. I went ahead and just plaited them, not plaited them, I went ahead and did like a little twist so I could have them separated so I could get right to it. How I'm doing this is I'm taking what I have left, I'm just gonna put it up and away, up and away. Then I'm gonna just take the back, put that away. Whatever section I'm working on, I'm gonna unravel. That has helped me a lot because I start to feel a little overwhelmed doing the parting. You know, my arms is like this the whole time. Arms was feeling a little tired, and I was like, oh, you know, I'm just trying to get the part just okay. It ain't gotta be perfect in that area, but yeah, I'm gonna get to it, and one day I'll look at this video and be really proud and happy. My hands are machines. I didn't know it. I know now for sure. I'm certified with the hands. The hands are certified, because to do this is a gift. That's what I think. I have nothing but love and respect for any people that do their own hair. But this is next level. If y'all want to know how I made it through doing all of these micro locks, I've been listening to music, I've been talking to myself, I'm showing me, moving forward, keep moving forward, keep moving forward. I've been watching YouTube videos, watching other people do theirs, so I'm knowledgeable on this new journey that I'm about to go on. All right, y'all, so I'm back. I did the last twist, and I'm happy, I'm tired, and I'm excited. Here we go. I am going to start unraveling. Y'all, I feel like I can overcome anything. I always felt like I could overcome anything, but I really, at this moment, feel like you can do anything. You just need to do it. Don't talk, don't think about it. Don't ponder and, you know, do the what ifs, just do. And yes, so now I'm excited to see the results of me doing what that will be. Oh, y'all look at that. Oh my gosh. Now these hairs right here, y'all just seen me do, so they don't look like that, but look at these. That is beautiful. Gosh. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. This all me. This all me. This is all me. I twisted this so hard, y'all. And you would have thought, like, what are you twisting, air? Because ain't nothing there, but it was like little tiny strands. But y'all, oh. Y'all look at this. This is, yo, I am so excited. I love it. My cheeks hurt because I'm smiling too hard. What? Man. Gotta always stay humble though. Gotta always stay humble. But goodness, I really like that. I can't wait to turn around to see what it's looking like. I woke up early a few times. I didn't see the sun. I've been in the house. Wow. This is my, y'all, sorry. What? I love it. Oh goodness. Hold on, I gotta look in the mirror. No, I ain't looked in the mirror yet. Y'all saw the back before me. Can y'all see? Okay, boom. Y'all can see right there. Y'all see how nice this looks? It ain't wavy everywhere in the back because, like I said, I didn't have the braids. I didn't have the braids in all the areas in the middle. But y'all, look at this. This is just the size I wanted. I'm seeing a different type of beauty right now that I haven't experienced before with myself. I have seen my hair do some things. I have seen my hair in many styles, but I did not think my hair was capable of doing this and looking like this. Let me do a little to show y'all in the front. What? This is cute. What? Come on. Come through hair. Let me see it. Oh, wait a minute. We got options. I could do a little. It's giving beachy. It's giving locked mermaid. It's giving beachy vibes. What? Y'all, I am obsessed. It's gonna be hard to keep my hands out my hair. I never. What? It's giving. It's a look. It is so nice. I'm shocked. I don't even know what to say. I don't know what to say, and I don't know what to do. This may have been the best thing I ever did to my hair, because who knew? Who knew that this was gonna be what it is for me? I'm just gonna, my cheeks, I'm happy. Today is June 6, 2022. This is the start of my lock journey. These are my Microlocs. I did them all myself, self-made, and I am loving it. Let me see. Oh, look. So this is what it looks like. My edges aren't the thickest. That's okay. Let's look at the back. When it's lifted up, you know, I still have, you know, I have my bald spot from my alopecia right there, as y'all can see. I didn't want that to stop me. I still wanted to do this, so I did it. I did it bald spot and all, I don't care. So I'm already battling my alopecia and I can't let that take over my life, but this is so nice. Thank you guys for watching this video. I know this is very different than what I have done before. This is a new journey for me as well. I got a few journeys on my page at this point, but if you've been rocking with me for any of my journeys, thank you. This is still a natural hair journey. This is just a different level of natural hair that I have not explored and I don't know much about. I did research, don't get me wrong, but I am not used to this. I will have a lot of trial and error, as you will with any journey in life, but I am here for the journey and I am excited to see what my hair does and for me to grow and to learn and to embrace this. I am so excited and I hope that you guys stay along for the ride to see what happens. I appreciate the love and support at all times, I promise. If you guys found this useful or entertaining, or you just want to show me some support, go ahead and leave me a like down below. If you have it in your heart, please subscribe to my channel. I plan on making a lot more videos now that I'm back from my vacation. If you guys have any questions or anything like that, please make sure to leave them down below. Are you considering a lock journey? Do you already have locks? What type of locks do you have? And what type of information can any of y'all give to me that may help me on my journey? If you have any questions, don't forget to leave them down below. What type of videos would you guys like to see from me? I'd like to know that as well. I have a few different journeys now that you guys can go along with me on, so I always will appreciate the love and support. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time, y'all stay blessed, and I will talk with you guys soon. Bye bye.